Baba,
Yes.
Today our teacher told us that we're going to make like an airplane and integrated,
Okay.
and with that how to make that airplane, we need to get some recycled stuff from home and bring it to school, and then we will make it, and it's due next Monday.
What you plan to make?
We plan to make an aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Yeah.
How will you make?
I will use cardboard, plastic bottles, and paint.
Can you show me, explain me how you want to make it?
I will use the bottle as the body of the plane.
Okay.
And then I'll paint the bottle pink. Then I will use the plastic to make windows. And I will use card for the wings. And actually cardboard box for the wings. And then I will paint it in. And then after that, I'll make a top of the plane blue, and then I will just put the door and everything else, and then I'll be done.
So we can go to other country by your plane? Will it fly?
No, it's just a small plane.
So it cannot fly.
No, you're too big to fly in it.
Too big.
Maybe ants could fly on it. Like an ant could go on it and then we just
Ant?
pick it up.
Ant will fly.
Yeah,
How?
because the ant will climb on the aeroplane and then I'll take the aeroplane and fly it up high.
Really
Yeah.
interesting.
Uh-huh.